Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury premier real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we're about to tour two local towns. They're called Huacas and Matapalo. We're right at the center between Playa Flamingo, the Playa Conchal area, and the Playa Tamarindo area. And at this cruce is where a lot of the commercial activity happens, and we're about to show you what it's all about. Come enjoy this beautiful tour today. Right behind me is the eye doctor and the dentist. You'll find that medical care here and dental care is very affordable in Costa Rica. It's about half the price of North America, and eye care is about $10 for an eye exam. Here in Costa Rica, you'll find many local barbershops. It costs about $8 to get your haircut, and they do these really cool designs. My kids loved it when they were little. Right at the corner, we have a panaderia. That's a bakery. Here you'll see locals having these big breads and one of these delicious treats. One of my favorite things to get in the corner of Huacas is freshly squeezed orange juice. And around the fall season, we have these great fruits called mamones. In Huacas, you'll find all of your shopping needs. You've got pharmacies, cell phone accessory stores, clothing stores, surf stores. You've got hardware stores, everything you need to survive here in Costa Rica. Just behind me, we have one of two of the local phone companies, Colby. This is where I have my phone service. You'll find that cell phone service is much cheaper here than in North America. I pay on average $25 a month for unlimited service for my kids' phones, and for mine, where I have international calls, 800 minutes, all the texting I want, all the WhatsApping I want, it's about $50 a month. And right behind me, we also have one of the local banks. Here's an example of some of the local fruit that's grown here. We've got mangoes, bananas, papayas, watermelon, plantains. It's so delicious. Anytime you see the word super here in Costa Rica, it means grocery store. There's many little mom and pop grocery store shops here in Huacas, and we also have several appliances stores. You hear the one across the street talking, they're often announcing promotions, or they have great live music. It's a party here at the appliance store. In every little town in Costa Rica, you will find some staples. You'll find a soccer field, a community center, a police station, and a church. And if you're really lucky, you'll find a bull ring. Here in Huacas, we've got the soccer center, the community center, and also the bull ring. There are two clinics here in Huacas that are open 24/7. You've got Beachside Clinic and you've got Metropolitano. We've had amazing experiences as a family at Beachside Clinic with regular checkups, where my husband suffered from a massive heart attack and one of my kids had pneumonia. Here they'll take great care of you. They have doctors that come in every month that are specialists, like pediatricians, orthopedic doctors, cardiologists, for example. What's great to know is if you need help, they're here to help. There's x-rays on site, there's a pharmacy, they have a lab, they have everything they need to do to take care of your body. Costa Rica is a pet-loving country. If you need help figuring out how to bring your dogs and your cats here, we can hook you up. There's a lot of great vets to be had, and there's a wonderful one here in Huacas. Here on the Huacas corner, there's many food trucks and restaurants. My favorite is Los Gorditos. In Huacas, we have some car mechanics. Here's where we take our car-to-car service. You can get oil changes, they replace tires, or they can fix anything that goes wrong with your car. Paseo del Mar is a place that moms and kids love best. Here you'll find all the after-school activities. They've got dance lessons, singing lessons, guitar lessons, drum lessons. They also have jiu-jitsu classes, the toy stores, and for moms, they've got the beauty salons, the shops for the furniture and decor, and also Dr. McDreamy, who does Botox and laser. Here in Paseo del Mar, you'll also find Cuatro Legal. They are our legal business partners. They can help you with buying property, with residency, answer any legal questions you might have, starting a business. They are amazing resources. All the properties here in Costa Rica come fully furnished, but if you want to buy new furniture or you want to build a new house, Casanova has beautiful things to choose from. In the town of Matapalo, and it's raining. We have rainy season here for half the year, and it's usually sunny during the day, and if it rains, it's only late afternoon or evening. They've got this beautiful playground for children to play on. It's got the typical soccer field, the church, the police station, and all local houses. This is a great spot to just come and be a part of the community. This is an affordable condo complex here in Matapalo. What's great is you're 10 minutes from 10 beaches, you've got a beautiful swimming pool, lots of neighbors because there's a lot of full-time residents here, either retirees or families. You're close to school, close to medical, close to shopping. What more can you ask for? You'll find many of these fruits and vegetable stores here in Costa Rica. The fresh fruit is absolutely amazing. If you would like to be tasting that delicious watermelon, pineapple, mango in your mouth, I'd love to teach you how. If you have any questions about properties in Costa Rica, or specifically about Huacas and Matapalo, I'd love to talk to you. Please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. It truly would be my pleasure to speak with you. Have a great day. Pura vida.